If you're staring at all those Squarespace templates, wondering which one to choose, you're not alone. Most people get stuck in template paralysis and end up picking the wrong one for all the wrong reasons. Today I'm going to show you how to choose the perfect Squarespace template for your business. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to look for in a template, understand the difference between the free and premium options available, and have a clear strategy for customization that won't waste your time or money. So let's dive in. Squarespace templates are essentially a pre-designed website complete with demo pages and content. Simply replace the demo content with your own and your site is ready to go live. When you register with Squarespace, you'll be asked to choose a template. I recommend picking one and getting familiar with the platform right away. You can start with the multiple free 2-week trials on Squarespace. Just make sure do not upgrade your subscription yet. You can experiment with different free templates that Squarespace has and find the one that suits your needs best. So now let's talk about free versus premium template. What's the difference? Squarespace offers their own templates, which are completely free with your subscription. Then there are premium templates created by designers like me and other template shops. Free templates are minimal and visually pleasing. They heavily rely on very bold typography and imagery that might be the problem for some businesses. I found that free templates are great base starters if you have your own creative vision and direction in mind. Or if you just want a really simple generic site that's quickly put together, then this would be just enough for you. The downside of free templates is that they are typically pretty generic and it's easy to spot a free Squarespace template these days. But the pros are that they're included with your subscription with no extra cost to you. Now, Squarespace is a powerful tool, but to make your site really pop, you need to personalize it and make it more custom. This means adding unique layouts, choosing your own colors, fonts, and in general upgrading your visuals. That's where premium templates really shine. Help you to take your website from basic one to more custom. In our shop, we customize them so much that they look like custom websites we design for our clients. Our aim is to make your site stand out from the standard Squarespace look. But the downside of premium templates that there is an additional cost beyond the Squarespace subscription, and quality can vary, depends on the designer. The quality of Squarespace template are usually the visual product that you get, and it would be easy to eliminate the templates that you don't like or don't look great visually to your business. But it's important to know that you can create a beautiful and functional website with Squarespace free templates. It might just take a little bit more effort and learning through different tutorials and videos on YouTube. Every Squarespace template, whether free or premium, includes all the features Squarespace offers. When you select a template, you're choosing its style and appearance, not its functionality. This means that whether you need a blog, a shop, or membership section, you can add this feature to any template, even if those pages aren't included in your original template design. How to actually choose your template? So now let's get practical and let me give you some tips on picking the right template. Step 1 would be to define your website goal. Before looking at any templates, ask yourself, what is the primary action I would like the visitors to take on my website? It could be to book a service with you, to buy a product, or contact you to get a free quote or consultation. Your template should support this goal above everything else. Step 2 would be to look at the structure, not the content. When selecting a website template, it's important to look beyond the initial appearance. The fonts, colors, and even some pages can be easily modified with just a few clicks. Start by examining the site structure and the way layouts are built, how the information is organized. Choose the design that closely matches your needs to minimize the amount of customization required on your end. Let's say the template you're looking at has a section that showcases 2 services, but you offer 5. That's totally okay. You can easily duplicate that section and add more service blocks to match what you offer. The important thing is that the layout works well for your type of content. Consider how images are handled in the template. Focus on a layout of the image frames, not the specific images displayed in the demo version. Think about the size, the placement, and the number of images per page. For instance, if you're a photographer, you might need a template that supports numerous images. On the other hand, if you're a copywriter who prefers a clean look and a lot of copy, choose a template that offers a space for all your text to really stand out and speak to your visitors. Always select a template that complements the style of content you already have. If you don't have many images, avoid choosing a template that is heavily reliant on visuals. If you're in a visually focused profession like photography, consider exploring templates designed for similar visual-heavy niches. This approach can broaden your options beyond standard photography templates. Look into templates for industries such as interior design and other creative services. These templates are likely to have the visual-centric features that can beautifully showcase your work. Remember, on all of the templates, you can change colors, fonts, hide pages that you don't need right now, and save sections and reuse them on different pages. Take a look at the sections the template offers and consider how they could be accommodated to your content. For example, this section, designed to showcase services, could also be effectively used to display testimonial or portfolio highlights, or even introduce your team. Remember, you can always toggle sections on and off to best fit your needs. Now let's talk about customization strategy. Here's the common mistake I see people make when they choose a template. They pick one template and immediately start changing everything. They adjust all the fonts, adjust all the font sizes, swap all the colors, and rearrange every element and every section. At the end, the template looks nothing like you initially expected. When you make big changes to the template's fonts, colors, and spacing, it could throw off the design balance that was established by designer. Each of these elements is chosen carefully to make the website design look good and professional. Changing them drastically can result in a website that doesn't look like what you originally envisioned. Here's what I recommend. Before making any changes, duplicate the key pages and save them in your not linked sections. If you want to change the colors, make sure to take screenshots of original color palette and fonts. Write all of your content outside of the template first. Gather all the images and map out your pages. To make sure you get the most out of your template, only make minimal changes. For example, only choose one accent color. Wherever you see a light color, make sure you substitute with another light color, same with a dark. I would suggest not to make a lot of changes to the sizing and spacing of fonts, as those have been tediously selected by your designer. It's important to maintain the template spacing and layout structure, because those are also important visual elements of design that make the website look visually appealing. You will have the best website if you take into account all of the design systems that were made inside the template by the designer by making small changes. If you're looking for premium templates, in our shop we offer templates designed for service-based businesses, coaches, service providers, photographers, design agencies, marketing teams, etc. These templates are designed to give you a professional foundation while saving you dozens of hours of design work. Whether you choose a free Squarespace template or invest in a premium one, the key is to select the base on structure, not the demo content. The goal should be to launch a professional website quickly, not to spend months perfecting every pixel. If you're interested in our templates, I'll link them below. And if you want to know how to install a template on your existing website, watch this video next, the one that's popping up on the screen.